Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of React Health's newest CPAP mask, the Rio II Nasal CPAP. Whether you're new to CPAP therapy or just looking for a better fitting CPAP mask, the Rio II Nasal CPAP has you covered. Let's see what's inside. Right off the bat, the packaging looks clean and simple. On the front, you've got a clear image of the nasal mask in use, and then on the back, we've got a quick overview of the mask fitting guide. Let's open it up. First, we have the mask frame, adjustable headgear, short tube, and pre-installed cushion. Each fit pack comes ready to use right out of the bag, with the medium nasal cushion pre-installed. Next, we have the small cushion. The small nasal cushion can be identified by the S at the bottom of the nasal cushion. Then we have the large cushion. The large nasal cushion can be identified by the L on the bottom of the cushion. A mask fitting template. And lastly, the user manual. So there you have it, the Rio II Nasal CPAP from React Health. It's comfortable, customizable, and beginner friendly. So if you're looking for a mask that fits right the first time, give this one a try. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow along for more.